Turn the page, live your life every day. Don't let anybody stand in your way.
All right, what do we have here today? We've got 3 pasture-raised eggs. I'm going to give those a good beating in a second. We've got some ground beef. We've got some shredded Mexican cheese. We've got some salsa. Oh, there's some fresh cilantro, some fresh chopped tomatoes, and some spices. Hola, Mike Foster here. Today, you saw the intro, it is my taco omelet. That's it, killer taco omelet. We're gonna ground this beef up. I'm gonna get these eggs going, and I'm gonna make an omelet that tastes like an taco. I'm not kidding, it's gonna be killer dough. Check it out. Of course, like with all my omelets, you wanna give these guys a good beating. So I'm gonna beat these first for about 2-3 minutes, and then let them set for 5 minutes. All right? I'll meet you at the stove to get that ground beef going. All right, that's a medium pan. Let's put the ground beef down. Sizzle McChizzle. There you go. This is an 85-15 blend. So it's very lean. It's so lean, I'm gonna give it a little olive oil. That's how I roll. I'm gonna start browning this guy up. Just a little salt. 3. Fresh black pepper. Garlic powder. Onion powder. Oh yeah, that's gonna be good. This is on medium, by the way. Put some oregano in. Put a lot in. I like oregano. Some cumin. Cumin is very good for Mexican. There you go. That's good. Let's mix that in. Alright, cumin, you can smell that. It smells great. And then for some heat, we're going to put some chili peppers in there. Alright, this is done. I'm going to take this out, and then we're going to cook that omelette. Alright, this pan has been cleaned. It's at medium. Put some butter in there. Alright, mix that around. Take those 3 beaten eggs that have rested. Put that down. This is the beginning of any great omelet. All right, let's see how we're doing. Yeah, let's move that around. See that? I might add a little more pepper, because why not? That's it for the pepper. All right, that's ready for the cheese. Put the cheese all over. It's a taco omelet. And we take that ground beef that we just cooked, put that over here. And we take these beautiful fresh tomatoes and put them here. The cheese is right there. That's gonna melt. All we need right now is for that cheese to melt. We're gonna flip it. Oh, dare I say, gorgeous. Shut it off, let it cook in its own juices for another 34.7 seconds, and this baby will be ready. Oh my goodness, look at that. That's the close-up. It's got some salsa on the side. It's got the cilantro. You saw what was inside it. That looks like something you would serve in a restaurant. Charge about $18 for that. Big bite coming up. All right, there it is again. Look at that thing. That's a baby. I mean, some of you guys come over and help me eat this? I mean, this is huge. I can never finish this. But I can take a nice bite of it and see what all the hubbub's about. Cilantro grabs you. I can taste that cheese right off. You get some fresh tomato and some of that ground beef. The taco meat. Season it yourself. Oh, that's gorgeous. I got a little of that salsa. I tell you, I've made a lot of egg recipes, a lot of omelet recipes, and I keep trying to top myself, reinvent myself. Never settle. Keep experimenting in the kitchen. Wow, it's good. And good things will happen to you and your stomach. This is surprisingly pretty healthy for you. Awesome. For more videos like this, check out Live Life 365 at YouTube. Tell people about it. Enjoy yourself. Stay safe and keep living Life 365. Until next time. Peace.
Live life 365.
If you know what I mean. No, it's not rocket science. Or a mediocre one. Okay, we'll move this baby around. Getting those sides in. This baby will be good. Give it some, still goopy. See the goop? Let that goop ungoop itself. That's going to be swell. I can tell. Oh yeah. The cheese is going to be gooey and ooey. You're like, what about the cilantro and salsa? It's going to go on the outside, guys. Maybe I liked it. All right. No more hallucinations. What do you think? I'm thinking it's good. Let me say Mike. What do you mean healthy? Well, eggs are healthy, tomatoes healthy, salsa's healthy. Cilantro's healthy. Ground beef, lean, good source of protein. You need protein. The only thing I'd say that's not healthy is cheese. But if you need some calcium, eat your cheese. That's a sweet babu if I ever saw one. Baba. Wow, there's a lot of food. I got the golf on. That's a commercial over there. That's no good, but that's Pebble Beach. That's like one of the prettiest places in the world. Excuse me, Monterey Peninsula. Over here, I look at the weatherman, and then a cold front will be coming in, and then hold on, warm weather around the corner.